This is the practical board of adder and subtractor using op-amp. In a previous lecture, I explained about how you have to do the experiment. Here I am showing you practical experiment. You can see here already we have studied in the lecture number 14 in your video lectures. Okay, so this is your inverting and non-inverting terminal. Here is your output. Look here, you have to connect here the power supply voltage. So I am connecting the power supply voltage plus 12 volt at this point. You can see this is called ground. 0 is your ground. Ground is at this point, and minus 12 you have to connect at the here mentioned. Minus 12 it is mentioned here. So this is all is connected to the pin number 7 and what 4. This already is mentioned. Now here I will explain you V1, this your V2. So to measure the voltage, here I have to connect one current meter, voltmeter. Here I have to connect another voltmeter. So I am connecting this voltmeter. Take care you have to connect in DC volt because you are doing the experiment of DC. So I am connecting this voltmeter in this section. Here I am connecting. Look here. Here I am connecting. Now here also you have to connect another voltmeter for V1. You can see here I have connected. This is your connected. Okay. Now to measure the output, also you have to connect the voltmeter. So I am connecting the voltmeter here. You can see I am connecting the voltmeter at this point. Now for V1, you know this is your V1. V1 we are writing, this is your V1. Look here, this is your V1 I have connected to this point. V1 is at this point. Okay. And V2 is connected at this point. Say V2 is connected at this point. Now, first we have to do the first section of the experiment. We have to do the experiment of inverting summing amplifier. Inverting summing amplifier means I have to give the voltage to this inverting terminal. So this I have to give the voltage at this point. This is your V1, these are V1s, and this is your V2. This is what I have connected. You can see, yes. You can see. Okay. Now here I have to verify the equation. What is the equation of the output voltage? VO is equal to minus into bracket V1 plus V2. That you have to verify. So before that you have to make this is ground. So I make this is ground means I have to connect this terminal to the ground. I am making ground. Okay. Now let us verify give the V1 and V2 different value. See output are you getting the minus into bracket V1 plus V2 or not. Let us verify this. Look here, this input V1 I have kept 2.0. With the help of this potentiometer, you can vary. See, you can vary with the help of this. You can vary. I have kept, this is your 2.07. This is what 1.17. I am giving, you can see with the help of this you can vary. So I am giving 1 point nearly about 1.53 and 2.07. Okay, so you will get, you can check your output is 3.5. You can see here output is 3.51 minus. So addition of this two voltage you will get at here some negative. So this is the way you can do the experiment of inverting summing amplifier. You can give your different value of the voltage by changing this pot. See, you can change this. You can also change this. Okay, you can give the minus voltage also. See, I am giving minus voltage like this. See, I am giving the minus. See, minus how much? Suppose I am giving minus is what? Minus 1. This is your what? How much? 1.77 plus 1.7. So what I told you, your equation VO is equal to minus into bracket V1 plus V2. So V1 plus V2 is nothing but you can say nearly about 0.7 or like so. You take this, so here you can see 0.67. Okay, so in this way you can do the experiment of the inverting summing amplifier. For non-inverting summing amplifier, this input you have to connect at this point, this input. Here's I have to make the connection in this way. Take care here. Okay, this is a connection. Now here's I have to connect the input. This V1 I'll connect here. This is your second input. I have to connect here. That what is? Let me say V2. So what about this? Do not keep this is open. You have to make it ground. So I have to make it ground. See, this is I will make it ground. So I am making this 2 is ground. Look here, this 2. While I am doing the experiment of non-inverting summing amplifier, this is a non-inverting. So I am giving the voltage at the non-inverting terminal. See, this is the voltage I have given. See, this is the voltage. You can see this is the voltage I have given. Okay, this voltage I have given. This voltage I have given. This is another voltage I have given. This voltage and this voltage. Now let us see what is your output equation. For a non-inverting, you know this equation already we have written. VO for a non-inverting, VO is equal to V1 plus V2. What is V1? 1.91. What is V2? Minus 0.9. So what is your answer addition of this? One voltage. 1.91, 0.91. So one voltage. See, are you getting one voltage plus one voltage? Understand? We have written V1 plus V2. So V1 plus V2. Suppose I am making this your positive. Suppose I am making this your positive. 1. So 1.2 plus 2.26. You can see here. So in this way you can do the non-inverting summing amplifier by changing this, by doing the non-inverting summing amplifier for a different voltage of V1 and V2. Now next we have to do about the differential amplifier. So our subtractor, let me do the subtractor I am doing now. For subtractor, what is the way we have to do? Here, this is what I am making ground. This also, see here this terminal I am making ground, this terminal. And this is also I have to make it ground. So I am making this is your ground like this. I am making ground. This is your ground. You can see here. This is ground. This is also ground. Both is grounded. You can see. Okay. Now here I have to give the input V1. Here I have to give the input V2. So I am giving this is your input V1. This is the input V2. V2 I have to connect from this point. V2 I am connecting. So you will get output is another V2 minus V1. This voltage minus this voltage you will get. Output is what? This voltage minus this. So what is the voltage at this point? Let us check what is the voltage at this point. This 0.83. What is the voltage V1? 1.89. So 0.83 minus 1.89. You can get the negative sign. This is called subtractor. So this voltage V plus minus V minus. So this voltage is nothing but how much you have kept? 0.83. This voltage, how much you have kept? This is your 1.89. This voltage, 1.89. This voltage you have kept how much? 0.83. So what is the equation of output voltage? Remember equation of output voltage is voltage at this point minus voltage at this. Voltage at the non-inverting terminal minus voltage at inverting terminal. So this voltage you have kept 0.83, this is your 1.8, so you will get 0.9. So I am giving this is your mole voltage. This voltage is mole. 2.88, and this voltage I am keeping 1.8, 1.7 something, and 2. This is your, let me give the 1.8. See here, you will get the output is what? This voltage, V voltage at plus sign minus voltage at minus sign. What is the voltage at plus sign? This voltage you have given. How much this voltage you have given? This voltage 2.18. What the voltage at this point? Voltage at this point you have given is nothing but the 1.89. So difference of this is nearly about 1. So you can see here plus 1. So in this way you have to do the experiment of adder and subtractor using the op amp. So in this you have to use a 3 digital voltmeter and your plus or minus 12 power supply. So in lab you can do this very clearly. I think you understand. Okay.